What is actually SEO, and can you actually get SEO for $5? I talked to a couple of business owners. They bought some SEO services and they were all promoting and ridiculous offers. They said like, yeah, we can get you 10,000, 50,000 backlinks. It's only $5. And if you buy like $5 more, they make you twice the number of backlinks. To understand what a backlink is basically when a website is linking to your content. A good backlink would be something, let's say you are a bakery and the New York Times was writing a review about the best bakery in London, and they would mention your bakery inside the article and would put a link to your bakery or to one of your favorite cakes that is listed on the website onto their article. This would be highly relevant because the article is relevant because it's covering bakeries and it's covering bakeries in your area or it's covering a specific product. So this backlink from a high authority website such as the New York Times would really help to boost your website. It says the New York Times has trust in your website and you're probably really relevant and really good quality because they don't put many backlinks out in the first place. So this would be really good. So some people can't make up in quality like this. They often try to make up in numbers and low quality. So the stuff that you see on Fiverr is basically the work of criminals. And the way that works is that they have little spiders and they crawl websites and they're scanning for vulnerabilities. They're looking for like forums, like a lot of times software isn't getting updated. So like an old version of a forum software or like a WordPress blog site, that might be easily hackable. So what they then try is they use those scan bots. They scan basically every website on the internet and try to find those little loopholes. Then they infect the website, and once they have control over it, they will then place little backlinks into common threads. So they create like hidden websites with hidden pages that you can't see, hidden blog posts that you can't see. And they put a text link into this article linking to someone else. And this is what's being sold. You're basically paying hackers who are hacking other people's websites to then insert spam links into your website. And the worst part is that those spam links are completely out of context. Nobody's going to write an article about the best bakeries in London. They just put together like a page and just put the link inside so it will later show up as a backlink. So the thing is, those kind of backlinks really hurt your website. Google knows about those kind of sites and they will actually punish your website if you're getting low quality backlinks from such shady sources. So it will actually do the complete opposite effect. You will see a dramatic drop in traffic if you have those kind of spammy backlinks. You will fund criminals and hackers who are like running botnets to hack criminal activities, to hack other people's website, infect them with Trojans and like backdoors to put their spammy links inside. So never do this kind of service where you pay like $5 for a backlink. A real backlink is expensive. You have to get into public relations. You have to create high quality content, do guest blogging, collaborate with other people so you can put out some content out there that's really relevant about your business, and then you're getting a backlink. This takes time and effort and networking and relationship building. And you will never be able to get this for $5. So never try any of this. Funky backlinks, it's going to only hurt your business and it's not going to get you anywhere. So don't do it.